Hey guys, Florin here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to solve the numerical palindrome challenge found on Code Wars using JavaScript. This is a good way to practice our JavaScript skills. Before you go into the video, I highly suggest you try to do it on your own and then come back to see my solution for the challenge. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, a palindrome is a word, phrase or number or any other sequence of characters which reads the same backwards and forwards. So for example, 2332 is the same backwards and forwards. Also this number and this also too. So for this challenge, all we have to do is to create a palindrome checker, and we have some conditions here. So we have to say if the given number is a palindrome or not by returning a boolean. And also we have to check if the number is indeed an integer. I mean, if the given parameter is indeed an integer and if it's not less than 0. If it is, then we're going to return not valid. So that's what we're going to do first. Here I call it the default case. So if type of number is different than number, or if number is less than 0, we're going to return not valid. And here on Code Wars we can check for these test cases, and we can see here that the last 3 of them, which require us to return not valid, it's working. And now all we have to do is to reverse the number and check if it's the same with the original number. And to do that, we're going to return number to string. So we're going to convert it to string first, and then we're going to split it. So we'll convert it into array, and by using the reverse method, we're going to reverse the array. And now we're going to convert it back to string using the join function. So here we have something like, let's say we have that number 1221. Then we're going to convert it to a string. Then we're going to convert it to an array of strings. 1, 2, 2, 1. Then we're going to reverse it, which in this case will be the same. So the same. And then we're going to join it back. So it will be again the string. But for example, if here we would have like 1224, this will be changed. So this won't be the same. And we will have this array, but changed. So 4 here. And 1 here, oops, 1 here, and at the end we will have 4221. Yeah, I just showed you this example so you understand what each function does. And we return this to check if it's equals to num.toString. So our original variable here, num, it's a number, so we need to convert it to a string. We can type, oops, to string. Okay. So let's see if that works. Alright, so we successfully passed the tests. Let's make an attempt here. We're going to receive more tests, and everything is green. Everything is good. We could also just add a plus here and remove here the num to string. This plus will convert our string to a number, so we can test again and it should work the same. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the challenge. I just wanted to see if you like this type of videos. If you do, let me know in the comments and I can go over the more interesting problems here. This is just one of a series of coding challenges on this topic. There are a lot of other challenges here on this platform, so if you want something specific, just let me know and I can go over it. Thank you for sticking around till the end. Give it a like if you liked it, subscribe and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!